Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable video gifts on TikTok. Very simple, very easy. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then you want to click on the lower right corner on your profile icon. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then you want to click on Creator Tools, the first option. When you're at Creator Tools, you want to scroll to the bottom of monetization. This is the menu we want to be focusing on. Then you want to scroll through the section that is called video gifts over here. You want to click on it. Then there is a special button that you want to click, and this will simply help you to enable video gifts. For people not familiar with video gifts, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. Your videos must pass safety monetization, meaning have to follow the guidance of TikTok. Have an account that has been active for at least 30 days, okay? Meet the age requirement, and accounts, should not be related to the government or politics or political parties. Eligible accounts and videos must be good standing, follow the community guidance. You're simply gonna get tips, by creating content, and people who simply like the video that you publish, they're gonna tip you. And there's a special cut between you and TikTok. There's a special split. But this is how you enable them, and if you meet all the criteria over here, you can simply turn this on. Click on your profile on the lower right. Then I want you to click on the top right on the three straight lines. You want to launch the settings and privacy menu as well. Click on it. Then I want you to click on the second option, which is privacy. When you're at the privacy, you have multiple different customization. You can hide likes, show likes. You can stop people messaging you, stop people sharing your story, liking it, stop people tweeting. But the most important function that you want to focus in this video is to scroll down, and you will see that almost the last option will be profile views. When you click on profile views, you will be able to turn this on and off. And what this actually means: see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days and allow others to see what you viewed theirs. So you see, when you turn this feature on, when you go to someone else's profile and look into their profile, they're gonna get notified that you look at their profile if they have this function on. So it's like a 50-50 good feature if you really don't mind people seeing that you look into their accounts. But I want you to be aware of that, okay? I see a lot of people just sharing the good part, which is you can see who viewed your profile. But the downside, like I mentioned, is that they will see when you look someone else's profile as well. So be very mindful. And again, second important note over here is that you will only see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days. After 30 days period expires, they're gonna simply restart the process, and you're not gonna see who viewed your profile before this 30 days period. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says your profile. You click on your profile, and then you want to head to the top and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to head towards settings and privacy, the last option. Now you want to slowly scroll down to the display section over here. You want to click on display, and here you can manually set the switch between light and dark mode. You can also use the device manual settings. For example, if I go back to the light mode and then simply click on use device settings, I will get match of my original theme on my phone. I'm using an iPhone, and as you saw, I'm using a dark theme simply because the app TikTok match my device settings. This is very important and very useful, considering that if you are using a dark theme, you probably don't want to use the brighter theme or white theme or light theme on any of the other platforms, because switching from dark to bright, it's not good for your eyes, right? It might be irritating. It might be creating a particular irritation. So I presume that this is something that will help you as well. It helped me a lot having all the theme, all the dark modes all aligned. So every time when I'm switching from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok to LinkedIn, everything is a dark mode, so it's much easier for the eye to simply adjust with the light and with the contrast. Go on your profile and then click on the upper right side where you see the 3 straight lines. We are going to go on settings and privacy. And then guys, I want you to scroll down to the section content and display. Here I want you to click on content preferences. In this section over here, the second option is stem feed. When you click on it, you have the option to turn this on and turn this off. This feed simply allows you to from time to time learn something new that is not the usual hype or the usual trending videos. It's very good, it's very interesting, especially if you have to kill a lot of time and there is nothing to do. You can pop up and learn something about science, technology, engineering, and math. If we go back over here after we turn this on, we can simply go and see that the stem, it's right over here, and we have it back. There are more things that are popping up with the recent updates, as you can see over here. Now the shop appears as well on the upper settings menu. And you want to make sure that you copy your actual username. Currently it's copied. Then you gotta go back on Facebook. You want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you're gonna be sent to your account. When you're on your account, you will see that you have the 3 dots option as a button on the menu. You click on it and then you want to click on edit. When you click on edit, you want to scroll all the way down to the last section, which is links. You want to click edit your about you section and you want to edit more links. The first option is that you are actually able to add social links. This is the place where it says username. You simply paste the link that you copy or your username that you copy from TikTok. After that, all you gotta do is to save the changes on the way up. For example, there is a save on the top right corner. And then you can go back up and this will appear in your bio alongside any other social media account that you linked with. Remember, you have to copy the exact username that you have and you have to save the changes. Let's find a video that we want to repost. For example, let's repost this video over here. You want to click on the arrow over here and then you see you have 3 different slides of menus. All you want to do is you want to focus on the middle slide over here and you want to click on the first icon, the yellow one, which says repost. When you click repost, guess what? I just repost the video. Now you probably wonder what actually happened. Let's go back to our account and see what actually happened. If you refresh your TikTok account, right, you're not gonna find the video over here. Your video will be located in the third menu on the middle of the screen. If you can see, you have filtered by your most popular and recent videos, right? Latest and popular. Then you have a stories archive. And the third option will be reposted content. This is where you're going to find this video over here. And this is how you actually repost videos or content on TikTok and where to find the reposted content. Let's say, for example, we want to send a message to, I don't know, Alex Hermosi. Okay, you click on the profile and when you're at the profile you have the option, if they allow you to send a message, you click message to the person and there you have it. That's the legitimate account of Alex Hermosi. You can see 795,000 followers. You can send whatever message you like to, and the slim part over here, you want to make sure that your messages are very, very good, informative, and straight to the point, because you only can send up to 3 messages until he accepts your first message. In other words, if you say hi and then wait for reply, he doesn't reply, then you say, you know, I hope you're doing well, and then he doesn't reply, and then you have one more message and it could be I'm not sure you saw my previous 2 messages and you're done. So this is why you can probably skip the welcoming part and, you know, the etiquette, and you just jump straight to the point. Hey Alex, for example, I want Another pro tip over here would be to write 2 very long messages probably. And then if he doesn't reply, then you still have the option to poke him again. You know, things happen. You might end up, messaging him in the busiest day of his life, right? And you simply are out of luck. So this is why you always want to keep one additional chance to send a quick poke message to let him know, he can go back and read the two other messages. You want to scroll through your feed. Let's say we want to download this video, right? You want to click on the arrow over here under the comment section. You get three menus popping out. You see 1, 2, 3. You want to click on the second one over here, and you want to click on the blue icon, copy link. Okay. Then I want you to head on Google Chrome, and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called Snaptic. Snaptic will offer you downloading videos for free without watermark. You want to click on Snaptic. You want to hit this search box, right? And I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Then I want to hit paste. Then you click download. As you can see, the app processed very fast the actual video, and you have two options over here to download in different qualities. I just want to give you a quick heads up. Be very careful where you're clicking, okay? Make sure that you click on the right button over here. But this is how you download for free videos from TikTok without watermark.
Let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Trello tutorial, how to use Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions. You can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency, estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around. And that is how you're going to use Trello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. MailChimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MailChimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software, okay? So to start off with MailChimp, what you are going to want to be doing is obviously you're going to, sign up with an account. Now, what is MailChimp used for? MailChimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to, do for yourself. It's great for any type of, sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with MailChimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay, after adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your emails relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay. And that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Miro tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself, okay? So Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So Miro allows you to create these different charts. It allows you to create these different types of boards, okay? And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. And it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping. So there's a lot of great things to take from Miro. And definitely, all of you users out there should use this for yourself. It's the amazing and the most greatest thing to get for yourself. Then you have 4 plans for this as well. You have free, starter, business, enterprise. Okay, so the free plan is $0, starter plan is $8, business plan is $16, and enterprise plan is obviously the basic typical enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, that's the general idea that you need to get when you're working with something like this. And that is basically your Miro. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels. Okay, you create channels for yourself, and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and, add any type of channel you want to. And if you want any assistance, you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels. So links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat, I want to, I'm going to write something like, hi guys. And then you can actually, do an at and, message everyone. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels, you're going to start working. Now, if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now, whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management. Okay. It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you know, you could say working standard to get your head around. And it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use. And I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay. So that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Rike tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Rike and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Rike is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Rike in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com, or you've used Asana, or you've used ClickUp, then Rike will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Rike works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations that use Rike. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration. All these people use it, and it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why Rike. So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design, also has a great CMS. You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay? So that's pretty much about it when it comes to Rike. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.